Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sort a dictionary by value in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like to put your dictionary in a certain order. If your data is all jumbled up in the dictionary, then maybe you'd like to have it be ascending or descending order in terms of the value. So I'll be showing you how to sort a dictionary by value in Python today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I already have my notebook in Jupyter Notebook open, and I'm just going to define my dictionary that I'm going to be using for this code today. Great, so I just defined my dictionary, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an empty dictionary called xsort. And this will basically be my sorted dictionary at the end that goes in value from smallest to biggest. Wait, now I'm just going to sort my keys. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to say sorted keys. And this is going to be equal to, I'm going to use the sorted function over here, where I'm going to essentially sort my dictionary X, where I let my key be equal to x.get. So this basically returns the value of the dictionary, and this entire expression over here will return a list of keys that are sorted in order, so from smallest to biggest. And right now I'm going to create my new dictionary that is sorted by value. So basically it's going to be this dictionary over here. So I'm going to be using a for loop to do this. So I'm going to say for I in, now I'm going to be using my sorted keys. And I'm just going to say xsort. So I'm basically just adding I'm basically adding this to my empty dictionary called xsort over there. And xsort of I is going to be equal to x of I. And now if I print my dictionary, as you can see, my dictionary has now been ordered where these two items have been swapped essentially, and my dictionary is now sorted by value. So there you have it, guys. If you wanted to know how to sort a dictionary by value in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.